Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurmiani. I'm from TBI F class. My student number is 240107197. Today I want to reading about theory building. Okay. Although archaeologists may diverge in their aims, they share the goal of making sense of material remains. They study by relating them to past people and their liveways. They do this by making different kind of conjecture about these material remains. These different kind of conjectures are called theory of foresight, though they could be called interpretation of the past or some other such term. In contrast to statements about artifacts and other material things in the archaeological record, theories in archaeology are statements about a past people when viewed through the lens of one or more of Wilber's 4 quadrants. Theories are constructed through a process of abstraction, which is an imaginative leap from notion about the archaeological record to notion about some past real world context, such as daily life in Neolithic village, or the intersubjective understanding the culture of the people who live in the village. The transformation of simple summarized and empirical generalization into theories is controlled by the principles of concept formation and model building. Among the theory building methods in archaeology, the abstract terms in theory generally refer to properties and characteristics of concept society with past human societies and cultures. The concept like eggs, projectile point, house, surrounding natural environment, understanding of the cosmos, and degree of centralization political power, rather than to plain ship or pottery shared. A ship has been made during this transformation from a focus and archaeological context to a focus on a past real world socioculture, psychological and material culture. Psychological. Psychological and material culture context. From a discussion of sites and artifacts to a discussion of communities of people and tools in social environmental settings. This transformation is discussed in part 3 of this book. Theory testing. Since theorists claim, if only hypothetically, that something was the case in the past, their claims to knowledge a distinguishing characteristics. Our archaeology as a social science discipline is the necessity of justifying knowledge claims by fitting the back upon the by devising confrontation between the implication of knowledge claim and a fresh observation on the archaeological record. Every theory makes some prediction about the contents of the world. For example, The simple theory that this artifact was once the projectile tip of an arrow implies that the artifact was once bound to a shaft and propelled through the air when used. These two predictions, which are test implications of the theory, are contained in the definition of projectile point. The statement that a certain set of archaeology sites are the remains of sit-down level of social organization contains test prediction, even it implicates about the past hierarchical relationship of the sites and communities and of the people who live in those communities. In archaeology, term we think that implication typically refers to characteristics of past socioculture system and human groups, such as bound to a shaft, propelled through the air, and a ranker society. This abstract notion must be given empirical, archaeological interpretation through the methodological control of operationalization.